Greetings, welcome to another Shamrockin Guitar Lessons, and today we're going to go through Camila Cabello's Señorita. And there's 5 chords in the song total, and they just repeat over and over and over again. So 5 chords are A minor, C, F, E minor and G, and they just repeat. So what we're going to do is we're going to do it in stabs. Right, so we're going to hit that's the entire part that I have worked out for the song. Now I have a specific count that I would use for it, works well for me. And the other thing I'm going to use in it is palm muting, okay? Palm muting is where you take the base of your hand, or the butt, depending on what you want to call it, of your hand, and you rest it over the strings. Not so much so that you can't hear anything at all. So if you can't hear anything at all, lighten it up, and you'll hear a chord coming through. So we'll use A minor. So you can hear that there's a chord there, but it's not ringing through like I would have taught in previous lessons. So we're going to use that with the stabs. So we're going to use the A note for the A minor chord, the C for the C chord, and we can use the higher note that goes with it as well. Then we come down to the F, so it's and the E minor, G. Now, so the count I'm going to use for it is 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Which goes like this. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 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 Now with the chords, if you're struggling with them again, given that this is the 4th bar chord that I've gone through, again use your silent practice. Take your right hand, just cover up the strings and practice your transitions. It's very important that you can go through your transitions, so much so that you can nearly do it without thinking about it. Now, it'll take time to build it up. Be kind to yourself and see where you're progressing, and be happy at how much you're progressing. If you put the time in, you'll get the reward. Again, the second thing is you can put your left hand over the strings and you can go through the stabs and do the count as well if you want. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So that's the entire song. And I'm sure if you're looking up this video, you're a fan of the song anyway. You'll either know the lyrics or you can Google the lyrics. But I would advise to get the song down, the rhythm and the count, and have it as locked in as you possibly can before you start doing the lyrics, because you can throw your rhythm off if you're trying to do the lyrics at the same time, if you're not quite up to speed with the rhythm and the stabs of the song. There's a nice Latin feel to this as well, so it's a nice little groove. So take your time and get it right, and enjoy it, and just you can play along with the original track as well, because it is in E standard tuning. And that's all for today's lesson. If you made it all the way through to the end of the video, thanks very much for tuning in. And if you like what you see, if you wouldn't mind giving it a thumbs up, a subscription, subscribe, that would be fantastic. Thanks very much for tuning in. See you on the next lesson. Thank you.